Oh, which side is prettier? I don't know. No. Yeah, wait. Yeah, that side. Wow, that is so solid. I mean, it's not surprising. I got some beefy wood under here. Man, this is gonna be a cool room. I can kind of imagine it. Nice tall ceiling. Not sure how tall it is from this floor. Maybe 14 or 15 feet anyway. Oh man, this is awesome. High enough to play basketball, as long as I don't get three-pointers might hit the top, but whatever. Yeah, this is awesome. All right, from this point, any day it's sunny. These are a little bit wet still because I painted them with borax solution. But any day it's sunny from now until this is done, I'll just be planing and trimming boards to put up here. And that also includes the joists going across these side parts, and then, you know, the stuff that goes all out there, all those joists and all that stuff. And I think I'm not gonna make the floor go all the way to the wall because, you know, it slopes in, so, you know, it would be a really short ceiling there anyway. But also, this is partly just the kids' idea. They wanna be able to climb up the wall and get up here and climb back down. So I'll have the wall go maybe to where that board is right there, but straight across, obviously, and yeah, leave like a 2-foot space all the way around and just put a railing. Or maybe I'll even put like a chain link fence from there up to this pipe. Yeah, this goes all the way around. And that'll slope that way a little bit. Now that just means if we're playing soccer in here or baseball or whatever, I can hit the chain link fence and don't have to worry about damaging the walls. Plus, since it's sloped that way a little, it'll divert the ball down and not, you know, shoot it up. Yeah, I think that'll be really good. Chain link fence or some kind of fencing. And then I'll have to, of course, have some holes or maybe doors or some kind of way you can get through the fencing so people can climb down and up through that way. And then over here is the climbing rope. I don't know where it's going to end up. When I put this rope up here, there was nothing built. Like like the first floor is the only thing that was there. So there was no second floor or third floor. So I just climbed all the way up here to get that up. So I wasn't overly concerned about getting it in the perfect spot or anything. But yeah, once I get the floor in here, I'll be able to pick a really good spot for that. Leave a hole in the floor for it so you can climb all the way up from way down there. Holy crap, that's far. Oh yeah, there's the kids' tables. Nice. There's the scaffolding. Man, the scaffolding's even way down there. And then the trampoline. The trampoline was originally going to go in the floor right here. And some people were concerned that I was going to just let my kids jump on it with nothing under it, like an insane lunatic. But no, I would build like a subfloor under it. Even in my old house, when I had a trampoline, there was a big fishing net under the whole thing, like a heavy-duty fishing net that would definitely catch you if you went through the trampoline. Anyway, I'm not totally crazy. It's kind of scary looking over there, though. Woo. No, just ignore my table. I need to clean up. You know, I remember when my last house looked like this in Vermont. It took me about 5 years to get to the point where the house was like, you know, done enough, and I had enough things done that I could kind of relax a little, and there wasn't like, you know, piles of wood and sawdust and like tools everywhere and projects in the works. All this wood is coming. Those are all floorboards for up here. Oh yeah, and then there's all that wood down there. Oh, and I got all these pipes. I have to find a cool spot to put all those because I can't have them sticking up through the floor. Anyway, I figure another year or two and this place is going to be, you know, kind of like I had my place in Vermont set up, where I get to the point where I can just kind of relax and be like, hey, it's good. But yeah, right now I'm not worried about, you know, tools everywhere and stuff. It's just fine. Part of the process. And it's going very well. I gotta say, it's going really well. Man, I'm really happy with this. This is great. God. Oh man, like, you know, in a few months, I don't know. It could even be like next month, like a few weeks. You know, I could have this floor done. And my kids can be up here with me playing soccer and frisbee. Like, it's, I don't know if you can tell on the camera. This is a pretty freaking big room. Like, you can totally play frisbee, and I'm not even, like, I've still got more floor to build out here. So yeah, you can play frisbee in here, catch. There's a lot of space. Yeah, I definitely want to have stuff hanging from the pipes. You know, to like a chain link fence or something there, and then maybe something draped, like kind of hanging there, so balls and frisbees and whatever don't always smash into the ceiling, you know, knocking off little bits. I still have to spackle that whole thing too. Oh, I could just get out. I do have a paint sprayer. I could just paint the whole thing and not spackle it. It would be nice if it was spackled, though. I don't know. We'll think about it. It's going to be pretty awesome, though. Oh, man, this is good. Oh, and I've got these big mattresses down here. Those are coming up here. So you can, you know, jump on them, do practice flips and stuff like that. And then, of course, the trampoline. And, yeah, I got to get a basketball hoop, like, up here. I'm not sure where 10 feet is. 3 meters. Maybe somewhere around the top of that rope. Maybe a little lower than that. Oh, this is so good. Oh yeah, I've even got a door to outside over here to get out onto the roof. That's how I work on the roof. That's going to be easier to do. Oh yeah, I have to get stairs to come up here too. I think the stairs to come up here will just go right above those stairs. So those stairs come up, and you can go around, and stairs will come up here. And of course, there's the rope climb, and you know, climbing down the sides over the edge of the floor, and there's probably going to be some slides, and oh, maybe we'll even build an elevator that's like some kind of hand crank magical cool thing, or I don't know. I love building my own house. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. I'll have to get some lighting up here too. You know, on a really sunny day, that might be enough, but yeah, I'll definitely need some lights. Could blow some holes in the wall, put some windows in. Whatever. You know, I just had a stupid thought of what I could do for lighting. So the second floor has tons of windows, right? And I'm leaving a space, an empty space here on the floor. So I could just have reflectors on some of these and make sure like paint that a light color. Sun will come in, bounce up, right in. The thing I like about that is it's simple. There's no electricity. I mean, I'll also have some electrical lights, but that'll work anytime there's even a reasonable amount of sun outside.